right, so you're looking at EV chargers. Take it from somebody who's installed over $15 million in EV chargers. This bad boy right here is about $600. This is the best level 2 charger that I have installed. It's got an app, a back end that you can get online, and you can control your pricing, you can control availability, and this charger from Tesla has the lowest downtime. Now, you do need internet connectivity. However, this model does not have Ethernet cable plug-in. Tesla is slated to release that in late 2026, but take it from somebody who knows the EV market well. If you are looking for an EV charger, NACS and CCS1 compatible within the same unit, get a Tesla level 2 charger. National EV has installed EV chargers all throughout the United States. The one with the lowest amount of phone calls, emails, problems is the Tesla Universal Wall Connector. Pedestal mount or wall mounted available.